Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
This idiom you may have heard in a movie. Sometimes the good guy or the bad guy might say, spill the beans, to try and get the other one to tell him the truth or tell him a secret. To understand this idiom, first let's look at the action, the verb in this idiom, spill. So what is spill? You may have heard in the past somebody say an oil spill, or you could spill a glass of water. Sometimes people that are clumsy often spill things. You could easily spill your coffee on you while you're at a coffee shop. All right, so now let's talk about beans. I think most of you know what beans are. They're a vegetable that we often like to eat. I know myself personally, I love pork and beans, which usually comes in a can, but it's a great food to take with you somewhere. Maybe you're camping or something. And they're really tasty. But you can also use beans in a recipe. You can cook with beans. It's very popular. In some countries, they eat rice and beans every day, almost for every meal. So if you were to spill the beans, literally, it means you would knock it over and the beans would spill all over the counter, all over the floor. However, as this idiom goes, it means to tell a secret or to tell the truth. So often you may see in a movie somebody forcing or wanting someone else to tell the truth. And they will often use this idiom. Or maybe your mom catches you in a lie and she says, okay, son, spill the beans. Tell me what really happened. I don't want to give away too many examples with this one. I want to hear you guys come up with some different examples for using spill the beans. So comment below and try to be creative and come up with some ways that you might use spill the beans. All right? It was nice to see you again. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.